Hi everyone, here we've got a HUAWEI MatePad T10s and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and actually all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon. And as you can see here, we've got the whole section attached to the video settings, and on the very first position we've got video resolution, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got only two options to choose from. We've got both a 16:9, but the very first one, which is right now applied, is 720p, which is a recommended option, and the another one we've got 1080p. So it's up to you which one you'd like to use, and just make sure that the option you'd like to apply is marked like here. So let me pick another one. As you can see, it has been marked successfully. What's more, it is also visible right here, and from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.